Thanks, John Hart. Augie and I are happy to be here. The clasping coneflowers in John Hart's prairie design were certainly quite a sight last May. And in all the crowds, there was one that looked a little different, sort of like a velvety pincushion. This odd development is an area of malformed tissue known as fasciation. Most often found in the tips of stems, leaves, and flowers, fasciation occurs at the site of cell division. It's not contagious and is usually only found on one area of an individual plant. Reoccurrence the following year is also rare, and ultimately, this is not an issue to worry about. We still aren't sure exactly what causes fasciation. Although the current consensus is that there are multiple causes, including both bacterial and viral infections, damage from insect feeding, spontaneous genetic mutation, and environmental anomalies. Think frost or herbicide damage. I've never seen it on Mexican hat, so we really thank Dripping Springs gardeners Ernie and Barbara Manchin for sharing this one. Sandra Santos Priano sent in a photo of her fern leaf with fasciation, which can look quite different in ferns than in other plant species, and is another one that it's new to me. And Katie Franklin and her husband were intrigued by this fasciated stem on their mountain laurel that they grew from seed. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, pictures, and videos.